29 July for the Indian contingent at Paris Olympics will be a day of multiples, some near misses. Arjun Babuta missing on the podium finish by a whisker, 2 shots. Ramita Jindal was right there on the top. We were hoping she would finish at the podium, but again, 2 shots and she moved down to the 7th spot. Abhijit.
I think especially for Arjun Babuta, the way he qualified for the final and the way he was playing, he was fantastic. But sports sometimes can be so cruel. You never know. And after his event where he finished fourth, he spoke to us and he said, sometimes the luck also plays the factor. Sometimes you shoot here and there and it hits on the target. But today was not the day for Arjun Babuta. He was incredible. Throughout the series, he was always in the top 4, top 3.
Yeah, that was the thing. He was right at the silver medal position.
Yep.
And at one point, only 0.1 point behind the gold medal score.
Yeah.
So we were hoping that the silver medal is secured. But then on the 13th shot, 9.9 and 9.5 in the final shot, 20th shot.
Yeah.
So that's what made the difference between an Olympic medal and becoming fourth. And fourth is the most.
I would say
the
worst.
worst.
I mean, even himself, Arjun has said it is the worst feeling, and he is, and when you have a fourth finish, imagine you think about, what if I would have done that shot?
Yeah.
And this is not just today. He'll remember it till the next Olympics. And
That
again,
is
on
4 years
the
away.
other side, he also gets a thought, I have to do well. So there's a contrast of the thoughts. Imagine, and it happens to a lot of us. But being at the Olympic final, reaching so near, it was just there. Arjun will be thinking, okay, if I would have hit this thing, maybe his position would have been this, because he talks about the process: breathe in, breathe out, then the taking clicking the trigger and all those things. It's very unfortunate, especially in this sports like shooting, when you miss what he missed the bronze medal by 0.06 points. Really, I mean, it's tough. Sports sometimes can be cruel, but as Abhinav Bindra has said, he has a bright future.
Yeah.
And Arjun also said, this fourth finish will make me stronger. So it will be great to see. And then, Manu Bakar just winning a medal at Chateaurouge, she has proved what it has to. It's possible.
Yeah.
In her first Olympics, it was a terrible one, but now she's already
she's on the
medalist.
verge. She's on the verge of winning a second medal. Let's see. But as for now, in this video, we are talking about the near misses. We had seen some of them in this edition. In India's Olympic history, we have seen so many. But let's hear what Arjun Babuta had to say to the media after his near miss.
Arjun, yet so close, yet so far. How do you describe your day?
Shitty day, disheartening for sure, very disheartening. But I would say that it is what it is for today. If it was meant to be, it would have happened. And somewhere I believe in luck. It was not my day. That's all.
Arjun, there's a lot of focus in India now on Olympics. We are also looking forward to host the Olympics in 2036. What do you think is the need of the hour, hosting the Olympics or having focus on athlete development as well?
I think it can go side by side, and I'm very proud of the way Sai and NRA have been working on the athletes. I think each and every demand is getting noticed, and they have been working really hard on us, and we are getting what we need. So that can go side by side, and we can also bid for the 36th Olympic. It will be really good for India, I feel.
Arjun, tough luck. You met Abhinav after the your competition. Just tell us about it.
So he was proud to see me shoot like that. He said it's tough for sure to deal with, but then I have to just accept it and move on, and it will help me in the future, and it will make me stronger for sure.
Arjun, right now India has a fantastic pool of young shooters, and medal has been started. So what do you find the reason behind that we are doing so well in the shooting?
We have great shooters in India, first of all, and some of them are not even here, but they are great. We have the right equipment, knowledge, technique and the right motivation, I would say, and we can do even better than this. And the future is bright for shooting from India.
Arjun, I just wanted to ask you, you're of course disappointed and dejected, but how do you, switch off from something like this and then tell yourself what you have to do, try and get back to the sport again?
This one day doesn't describe me or my shooting, of course. Then I'll switch off for a while and then come back with the better energy to the lane.
Arjun, what is the lesson that you will take from this campaign?
No matter how hard you try, even if you put 100%, I learned that you can't say that you are going to win today. Of course, you can go for it and you have to try your best. So that is the learning.
अर्जुन जिस तरीके से एक शॉट की वजह से मेडल हाथ से छूटा पूरा, लेकिन जो परफॉर्मेंस था ज़बरदस्त था। और परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में क्या कहेंगे? ओवरऑल मेडल तो छूटा, लेकिन वो कहते हैं कि मतलब इस परफॉर्मेंस में बहुत सारे पॉजिटिव्स थे।
डेफिनेटली आई एम प्राउड। जिस हिसाब से मैंने स्टार्ट किया एंड जिस हिसाब से मैंने प्रिपेयर किया था, वो सब चीज़ें काम करी। एंड काफ़ी सालों की वो जो मेहनत है सभी की, कोचेज़ की भी, एंड जो टेक्निक हमने डिसाइड करी है, टैक्टिक्स बनाए थे, वो सब काम कर रहे थे। एक शॉट कह सकते हैं कि डिसाइडिंग शॉट था जो काफ़ी चीज़ें बदल सकता था, लेकिन वो मेंट टू नहीं था। सो अब बाकी चीज़ों के लिए मैं प्राउड हूँ।
अर्जुन, ओलंपिक्स का नेम टैग क्या अलग सा प्रेशर डालता है एथलीट के ऊपर?
होता है डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि 4 साल बाद आता है एंड सभी पूरे नेशन की होप्स होती हैं, सब कुछ होता है। एथलीट की होप होती है, अपनी पेरेंट्स, उनके फ्रेंड्स, सबकी होती हैं। एंड यहाँ पे आप गेम्स का इन्वायरमेंट देखेंगे, काफ़ी ज़्यादा चकाचौंध होती है यहाँ पे, तो प्रेशर रहता है, लेकिन उसी में हमें अपने प्रोसेस के साथ रहना होता है। तो कितना अच्छा हम मेंटली फाइट कर लें, वो मेरे को लगता है दैट डिस्क्राइब्स अस।
अभिनव बिंद्रा भी यहाँ पर थे, तो क्या अभिनव बिंद्रा से कुछ बात हुई थी कंपटीशन से पहले या बाद में?
हाँ जी, दोनों टाइम हुई थी। कल भी मिले थे वो, आज भी मिले, एंड उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छे से समझाया था, कल भी आज भी, एंड अच्छा लगा उनसे बात करके।
अर्जुन, कंपटीशन के बाद एक क्लोज 4th प्लेस फिनिश थी रियो में। अभिनव के साथ भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ था, उस बारे में कुछ बात हुई? अभिनव, अगर पोस्ट कंपटीशन उनसे आपकी मुलाकात हुई थी तो?
जी बिल्कुल, उन्होंने बताया कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा बुरा लगेगा, बट ज़्यादा टाइम इसके ऊपर रोने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है। तो जस्ट एक्सेप्ट इट, कि इसको एक्सेप्ट करो और इसको एक एनर्जी की मोटिवेशन लो, इससे एनर्जी लो, और आगे फ्यूचर में जाके आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग ही बनाएगा। तो ये उन्होंने समझाया और काफ़ी अच्छी एडवाइस थी।
आपकी नेक्स्ट प्लान क्या है अभी यहाँ से जाके?
अभी जाके पहले तो रेस्ट करूँगा कुछ टाइम, एनालाइज करूँगा, एनालिसिस करके फिर जो चीज़ें कमियाँ रही होंगी सभी के साथ डिस्कस करके उन चीज़ों पे काम किया जाएगा। फ़िलहाल के लिए रेस्ट चलेगा।